Happy Tuesday. We are heading over to the mall. Hang on a second, I'm about to get run over. So we're heading over to the mall. I need to go pick up a couple of things today. I needed to pick out an outfit at Sephora to buy my Purity facial cleanser. These past 2 days, all I've been doing is just work, like related things, editing, uploading emails. I honestly wouldn't trade it for anything, and I truly just feel grateful, thankful to God answering my prayers, because I've been praying for such a long time because I was just so unsure of so many different things. This is a cute little lounge area. We're here at the Habit, here with the Hubs. Charburger wrapped in lettuce, double, what is it? Double charburger, no pickles. Green beans, they no longer have the sriracha green beans or the spicy green beans, and onion rings. What's up, you guys? It is Friday. Happy Friday to you guys. I know I haven't really vlogged this week. This week honestly was super productive. I think the most productive I've been in the past probably like 2 or 3 months. I'm really happy today because I crushed all my goals. This afternoon is actually my downtime, and I think you guys know where I like to go on downtime. So I set aside this afternoon, like if I had everything done, if everything worked out, that I would head over to Six Flags Hurricane Harbor for the afternoon and head over to Six Flags for a bit. Can't be home like super late because I have another video that I need to edit for tomorrow and film. So yeah, this is like my downtime today, but I'm gonna still be working on some emails, responding to comments. Not going to be taking this vlog camera with me. I just don't want anything to happen to this camera, so I'm gonna be vlogging with my phone. I hope you guys don't mind. Let's go head over to Valencia. Hurricane Harbor. I think I honestly went up a couple of shades because I got really tan. I ended up getting a cauliflower crust. Honestly cannot tell the difference between this and regular bread. So it's cauliflower crust with bell peppers, mozzarella cheese, pesto sauce, mushrooms, cilantro, garlic, bacon, and chicken. I'm gonna devour this because I'm super hungry. Surrey decided to kind of take me in the wrong direction, the opposite direction actually. And I was gonna make a U-turn so I can turn around. And then I saw this beautiful view of Six Flags. It's directly like right across the whole entire theme park. I love it. It's just so gorgeous. You guys are probably like, it's a freaking amusement park. Definitely Team Six Flags, Team Magic. This is the ride, and the reason why I decided to go here today was to ride CRAZANITY. Got all the footage, but that was freaking amazing. I honestly didn't even think that it was going to be like that, but it was definitely more than what I expected. And I guess you could say like the best way to describe it is that you literally feel like you're flying. So if you want to feel like you're flying but you don't want that weird like feeling in your tummy like you're gonna fall, go on this ride. This ride was 500% freaking amazing. Alright, happy Saturday evening, you guys. So the Hubs and I went to church earlier because tomorrow we're going to be heading out to an event. So we're going to Las Fuentes. We haven't been to this restaurant in... Actually, have you been here? Oh, husband has not been here, but I went here a long time ago with my previous coworker, but that was like years ago. So we're starting with some chips, some dip, Coke for the hubs and horchata for me. Oh, I love horchata. It's so good. Hubs ended up getting chicken soup. We have one torta. What kind of torta is this? Do you know?
Chicken torta.
Chicken torta. And I got a flauta, which I've tried before. It's delicious. It's so good. Chicken flauta, beans, and rice. We are both so full, but I'm not like really super full. But anyway, Hubs gave Las Fuentes a 6. I would give it like an 8. I said 6 was kind of bad actually. That's like a bad score, but I don't know, he really didn't like the torta that much. He did like his chicken soup because he said it was flavorful. But I don't know, all in all, I would definitely go back. I don't know if the Hubs would go back. Since we're in the area, we're gonna go check out Daiso. I know I kind of limited my Daiso trips to once a month, but I've been looking for those clear shoe boxes for Darren. So I want to see if they have it here at this Daiso. Hopefully they have it. I feel like this Daiso had so much more than the other Daiso I go to. The Daiso where I always film my shop with me videos, that's located in West Hills, California. This is in Northridge in Reseda, and they had things that, like some items, there's like one specific item that I have been looking for almost 2 years now, and they had it, so maybe they're bringing this item back. So I'm gonna film a Daiso haul when I get home. Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. So we are here in Cienega, here in LA, and we're heading down to the Too Faced event. Thank you so much to Mimi Memes Couture for inviting me. She added me as her +1 for the event for today. So I'm super excited to be going because I feel like it's been forever since I've been to an event. This is Gina and Mimi. Thank you, Mimi, for inviting me. So Mimi was explaining this is a pop-up shop. All I need is coffee and mascara.
I have aioli, I don't have any ranch.
Oh, can I have aioli?
The ladies, Dom, Gina, Mimi.